Dear students, good afternoon. Dear students, today we are going to learn the chapter 11 of your science textbook, that is materials, metals and non-metals. It's a class 8 science. So this is a very important chapter and very easy to understand if you concentrate. I hope you all will concentrate and didn't chit chat. So let's begin. Materials. What are materials? Dear students, we see a lot of things around us. Everything we see around us are called materials. For example, books, ball pens, clothes, shoes, iron, tin sheets, wood, plastic, copper, stones, wires, etc. etc. I mean to say all the things which are present around us are called materials. All the things which are present around us are called materials. Materials are broadly categorized into two major groups as you see in this video. What are these? Metals and non-metals. All the materials which are present around us are grouped into categorized into two main groups, that is metals, non-metals. So what are metals? What are non-metals? So we will understand these two groups of materials by knowing their properties. Properties are also of two kinds, that is physical properties, chemical properties. When we discuss the properties of one, say, metal, so the contrast of that thing is non-metal. So I have here written the physical properties of metals. In the same time, I will also tell you what are the properties of non-metals. So you all will concentrate what I am going to tell you. Now, what are physical properties of metals? Physical properties are which we can see, which we can feel. These are called physical properties. And there are also another group of properties that is called chemical properties, which we can't see. Maybe some we can see, but other properties we cannot see them. That is change in their chemicals. But physical properties, physical itself means which are visible to us. So hence, first we are going to discuss the physical properties of metals, and in the same time I will also discuss, when I discuss the first property of metal, I will also tell you about non-metals too. So let us begin. The first physical property of metals is malleability. So what is malleability? Dear students, we have seen a lot of things. Suppose we are sharpening our pencil. Have you seen? Sharpening. The tip of pencil. If we break the tip of pencil and place it on any flat surface and bring a hammer and we will start beating it, what will happen? The pencil tip will become dust when we hammer it. But if we hammer or nail, an iron rod. As you are seeing, the blacksmith is always beating the iron. So what will happen? The iron rod or some other metals will not break into dust. These will become flattened. These all metals will become flat when we beat them. And a sheet, they will become the sheet of metals. You also know the knife we use in our houses. What is it? It is made of iron. When a blacksmith hammers that iron, it becomes flat. And upon beating a metals become flat. But when we beat a non-metal, it becomes dust. So this property of metals is called malleability. So malleability is a property of metals where we can make metals plain sheets by beating them. But when we beat non-metals, they didn't become plain sheets, they will break or become dust. I hope you got it. Maybe let me discuss this point in Urdu also. malleability एक ऐसी प्रॉपर्टी है मेटल्स की कि अगर हम बहुत सारे मेटल्स हम देखते हैं, हमारे पास चाकू होती है, कुल्हाड़ी होती है, वो एक आयरन की पीस से बनती है. जब इसे हम ब्लैक स्मिथ या लोहार जिसे हम कहते हैं उसके पास हम लेते हैं, चाहे चाकू हमें बनानी है, कुल्हाड़ी हमें बनानी है या और कोई चीज़ जो हम घर में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, उससे पहले अपनी भट्टी में गर्म करता है, फिर उससे वो अब हैमर के ज़रिए से बहुत ज़ोर से मारता रहता है. मारने के दौरान वो जो ये मेटल होता है ये फ्लैट बनता है, इसकी शीट जैसी बनती है. लेकिन अगर हम साथ में नॉन मेटल लेंगे, चाहे हमारे पास पत्थर हो, चाहे हमारे पास कोई प्लास्टिक की कोई चीज़ हो, अगर वो हम उसको मारेंगे हैमर के ज़रिए से, वो प्लेन शीट नहीं बनेगी, वो टूट जाएगी. सो यहाँ पे जो चीज़ें टूटती हैं मारने से उन्हें हम नॉन मेटल्स कहेंगे. और मेटल्स जो होते हैं, जनरली जो मेटल्स वो मीलेबल होते हैं, वो मारने के दौरान वो प्लेन हो जाते हैं. तो ये खासियत जो मेटल्स की है, इससे हम कहते हैं मीलिएबिलिटी. जो अब नंबर सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी है डक्टिलिटी. व्हाट इज डक्टिलिटी? Ductility is another property of metals. You have seen wires, cables in our homes. These are insulated cables, but if we cut an insulated cable, you will see a small fibers, thread-like substances in it. What are these? These are copper and aluminum metal drawn into wires. These insulated cables, wires which we see, what are these? These are aluminum or made of copper, and these can be drawn into wires, while as no non-metal can be drawn into a thread-like long substances, because these will break. When we stretch them, these will break, while as non-metals didn't break. We can stretch them as much as we can. All the non-metals can be drawn into wires, while as non-metals cannot be drawn into wires. This property of metals is called ductility. Let me discuss in Urdu so that all the students will understand. डक्टिलिटी एक ऐसी खासियत है मेटल्स की कि अगर हम अपने घरों में तार देखते हैं, जो हम तार इस बिजली के लिए फिटिंग के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, उसके अंदर हम देखते हैं जो मेटल जो धागे जैसे उसके अंदर होती हैं, बहुत सारी तारें उसके अंदर होती हैं, वो फाइबर्स, वो किसी मेटल की बनी गई. प्रेफरेबली वो मेटल होता है कॉपर या एल्यूमिनियम का भी उसमें इस्तेमाल होता है. यानी इन मेटल्स को हम वायर्स में भी हम इनको ड्रा कर सकते हैं, यानी इनकी तार हम बना सकते हैं, वायर हम इनकी बना सकते हैं, लेकिन किसी भी नॉन मेटल की आप वायर नहीं बना सकते हैं. ये खासियत जो मेटल्स की होती है, इससे हम कहते हैं डक्टिलिटी. The third property of metals which we are going to discuss is that metals are very hard. metals are very hard. No doubt there are exceptions. For example, metals like sodium and potassium, these are very soft and these can be cut with a knife. And also another metal, that's mercury. What is mercury? Mercury is the only metal which is in liquid state at room temperature. And the metal of the mercury metal is in liquid state at room temperature. So this is an exception, and sodium and potassium are also exception. Is these two metals are very soft and can be cut with a knife simply. So and can be cut. Sodium metal is also stored in kerosene. So we will discuss this property later, but generally we can say all the metals are very hard. All the metals are very hard. If we beat them, they don't easily break. Unlike non-metals are not as hard as metals are. No doubt there is also a non-metal, that is diamond. A diamond is a non-metal and that is called the hardest substance on the planet. So these are the exceptions. Exceptions are always there. Suppose there are 5 fingers in my hand, and generally there are always 5 fingers in hand in everybody. But you can find some people who have 6 fingers. So these are exceptions. Generally there are 5 fingers. Similarly, this is also an exception, as diamond is a non-metal and which is the hardest substance on the planet. And like sodium and potassium, these are also metals, but these are not hard. These are very soft metals and can be cut with a knife. And also the metals like mercury, which is in liquid state at room temperature. So let me discuss this point in Urdu also. हमारे पास जितने भी मेटल्स होते हैं, मेटल्स बहुत ही सख्त होते हैं. चाहे आप आयरन हम लेंगे, कॉपर लेंगे, एल्युमिनियम लेंगे, ये बहुत सख्त होते हैं बनिस्बत नॉन मेटल्स के. लेकिन कुछ मेटल्स हमारे पास ऐसे भी हैं जो बहुत हार्ड नहीं है, सख्त नहीं, बिल्कुल सॉफ्ट नरम होते हैं, लाइक जैसे कि सोडियम एंड पोटाशियम. इनको हम चाकू के जरिए से भी काट सकते हैं इजीली. चाकू भी ऐसे जोर से नहीं, इजीली बहुत कम फोर्स लगा के हम इनको काट सकते हैं. इस तरह एक और मेटल है मरकरी, जो है वो बिल्कुल लिक्विड स्टेट में होता है. जैसे हम किसी चीज को अगर बहुत ज्यादा हीट देंगे, वो सॉलिड स्टेट से लिक्विड स्टेट में आता है हीट देने से. लेकिन जो मरकरी मेटल जो है वो ऑलरेडी लिक्विड स्टेट में पाया जाता है, रूम टेम्परेचर पे वो लिक्विड स्टेट में पाया जाता है. और मरकरी आप देखोगे जो थर्मामीटर्स पहले इस्तेमाल होते उसके अंदर मरकरी ही पाई जाती थी. सो दीज आर द 3 properties which we discussed today, and there are also more properties which we are going to discuss in another lecture. As you already know, we don't have enough time to discuss all these points. The video may get larger and we couldn't upload it. Hence, we discussed the 3 properties today, that is 3 physical properties of metals, that is malleability, ductility and hard appearance, जिसको हम hard होते हैं. So there are also various other properties which appearance, etc., which we are going to discuss in another lecture. Thank you.